Hey gang, Baltmatrix here, and today we are taking a look at Transformers Universe, Air Raid, and Shear. These guys were released in 2004, and both of these figures each came with another larger figure. I believe Shear came with a Universe Soundwave, and Air Raid came with, I don't really remember who Air Raid came with. He came with another figure of larger size, obviously. But both of these are re-releases of Transformers Generation 2 Cyberjets. So let's go ahead and take a look at the transformation for both of these guys. And here we have the robot modes for the two figures. Both figures do suffer a little bit from the fragility of the plastic. I almost broke Air Raid while transforming him, and Space Case is equally fragile. And the culprit is this weird burgundy plastic. It's very similar to the plastic that suffers from gold plastic syndrome. It's very frail. That's the only way I could describe it. It feels like it's going to snap. Both figures have posability. It's pretty good, actually. Knees, hips, arms, elbows, and shoulders are all ball joints, and both heads are on very limited ball joints, so you can get some good poses out of these little guys. These are basic class figures, and for basic class figures, these guys rock. I absolutely love these little things. I would love to get a hold of more of the Cyberjets from the Gen 2 molds, because these guys are just really, really cool. So if you find any of these on eBay or in an auction or at a free like a bazaar or something, go ahead and pick them up for cheap. These guys are really rocking and they look really cool. Plus, there is a huge repaint community out there, or a modding community out there to do repaints. So these guys would make excellent figures to repaint.